So we're gonna find the plus and add a new one. All right, and we're just gonna drag in the intersection. Voila. Okay, awesome. Now we're gonna go back to the elements and drag in a text editor on the left. Text editor is generally where I like creating stuff from scratch. Just slide that into that slim little purple line. And we're also gonna bring in another text editor on the right. Cool. All right, we can go to advanced now, and we can even give ourselves some unlinked margin or padding on the top, so things space down a little. Okay, so for a PDF, let's say you have your resume. It's already in Adobe Acrobat PDF format. So if you don't have that in PDF and you're in OpenOffice, which is free, if you don't have Microsoft Word, you can use OpenOffice on any PC or Pages on any Apple computer and export, save it to a PDF. So here we have a PDF. Let's upload it to WordPress. So I'm gonna come to our text editor here and just get rid of the dummy text. And now I'm gonna go to Add Media, Upload Files, select Files, double click on Resume, and insert it into Post. And there it is. And if we go to the text tab, we can see it's a link. It's just a link to the PDF, so someone can right click, save it. So that's pretty cool. Let's say you wanted to embed the PDF though, if it's like an explanation of how to use your product or maybe some best practices or guidelines. You can easily embed PDFs in WordPress. Head to Plugins, Add New, and let's just look up PDF Embedder. And there it is, created by WP PDF Embedder team. We'll install it and activate, and beautiful. And now when we're on our pages, editing our About page, with Elementor of course, you'll be able to get that PDF to display fully onto a page or a blog post. So here we are in our PDF that's linked, and right click it and edit. And now if we go to the text tab, you can see it's still just a link, but if we go back to visual, add a media again and add another PDF and insert into Post, PDF Embedder will automatically wrap that PDF in a little bit of shortcode, starting with PDF-embedder URL equals the WordPress file, and it'll show up as a little shortcode munch. So what we want to do is cut that and put it into our text tab so it renders perfectly. And when I click off here, it should show up. And if it doesn't, then just go ahead and update and head back to your page and let's see it in action. Update one more time. Sometimes when you go back to that hamburger menu, it wants you to update one more time. And now scroll down, and here we have our awesome PDF resume. This plugin is so cool too, it even gives you these arrows by default, super professional looking, and the zoom feature. So people can really get in there and see your guidelines or your resume or whatever you're PDFing. And then on the right, we can put in a video. So let's say we delete this lorem ipsum. And we go to Add Media, Upload Files, and we're just gonna upload a small video I've made for a YouTube tutorial. So you can grab any smaller video, arrange by size. Maybe you have a little one, like this is a hilarious old skate video of all of us. Oh, nice one, Pat. And then we're gonna go ahead and upload it, so we can just open it. So it exceeds the maximum size. All right, so we want the file to be a little smaller in megabytes. So anyways, I found our yoga walks video, which is smaller. Once you have a smaller video that you upload to WordPress, maybe it's you talking on your iPhone, like a little interview or a pitch or walking around your office. You can get that uploaded, and if it takes forever still, you can always use my favorite video compressor app called Handbrake. Handbrake looks like this little cocktail with a pineapple, and basically all you do is just open it up. Then you open a video source. Like we had that cool guest video. Open it up and open. Then you choose a couple presets, but the defaults are really good already. I like clicking Web Optimize, and then you just start it, and basically it's gonna break down the video file and reconstruct it in an order that's compressed and much smaller to upload to the web. So start, it'll take its time here, and it'll tell you where it's going to save the new video as, here in our home folder, movies. Okay, so whichever happens first, the video uploads to WordPress or Handbrake breaks down the video, we will have something working. Let's go back to our add media, and the yoga walk's uploaded. So to enter that into a post, just click insert in a post, and it'll be a MP4 embedded, just like a YouTube video would embed. So this is the method of uploading a video directly to WordPress as opposed to just embedding it. And what you want to do now is, instead of just the video displaying, we're going to give people a link to download it. So let's go to the visual and say download our yoga reel, and then we'll just highlight some anchor text and add media, find the video, and just grab the file URL of it, copy that, and then we're going to come back and link that on our anchor text as such. And now you have a downloadable video link. When someone right clicks it, they can just save one of your videos about your digital agency right from their computer down to their desktop, and then they'll have your video forever.